Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. We are discussing your 6th lesson and that is fractions. In previous videos you learned how to find the product of the fractions, and in today's class we are going to learn about the multiplicative inverse of the number. Okay, so here then what is this multiplicative inverse? See here dear students, the multiplicative inverse of the multiplication is 1. Whenever you are multiplying and reciprocating the numbers, that time you are getting 1 as a answer. So that is the multiplicative inverse of the number. For example, here 3 by 2 is there. Then what is its multiplicative inverse? That is 2 by 3. Why? Because see here, multiply this and cut this number. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So here 1 by 1 means it nothing but 1. So here I got answer as a 1. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Where you are getting 1 as an answer, that is the multiplicative inverse of that number. Okay, so here the same way you have a practice time 9. Write the reciprocal of the following fractions in the boxes provided. Already in other hand you have to keep in your mind, reciprocal means you have to write its reverse order to get here 1 as a answer. 3 by 2 is there, you have to write its reverse order 2 by 3. Then how to solve that example? Just see, nothing is there. See here 2 by 3 is there. Next 6 by 7 is there, 3 by 5 is there, 9 by 12 is there, and 4 by 7 is there. So what is its multiplicative inverse? Just now I told you how to write its reverse order. Means see here 2 by 3 is there, its reciprocal is 3 by 2. Why? Because see here, take 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. Okay, this 3 cancel, this 2 cancel. So its answer is 1. So therefore here 2 by 3, the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Next here what is its reciprocal? 7 by 6. Next here 3 by 5 is there, its reciprocal is 5 by 3, and here its reciprocal is 12 by 9. I hope you are getting my point. Whenever you get the product as a 1, they are the multiplicative inverse of that number. So its multiplicative inverse is 7 by 4. Understood? See here in your question they given, see here, when the product of two number is 1, when the product of two number is 4 by 7 into 7 by 4. This 7 cancel, this 4 cancel. So the answer is 1. Means 7 ones are 7 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So its answer is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. When the product of two number is 1, 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the other. When the product of two number is 1 and the 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the other. So this type we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of the number. If you not understood that, then keep in your mind 2 by 3 is there, its reverse order you have to write there 2 by 3. 6 by 7 is there, 7 by 6, 3 by 5, 5 by 3, 9 by 12, 12 by 9, 4 by 7, 7 by 4. So this type you are going to write the multiplicative inverse of the number. Okay, so this is a small concept. Then I will begin with now here division of fractions. Division of fractions. Division of fraction. Division of fraction. Dear students, this is very big lesson and very important lesson, because in this lesson you learned the types of fractions, about equivalent fraction, how to convert mixed to improper to mixed, how to reduce, subtraction, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, addition and subtraction of mixed fractions, and also you learned the multiplication of fraction. And now we are learning here the division of fraction. Very important. And here one can come across the division of 3 forms. See here, a whole number divided by a fraction. So here there are 3 types. One I will teach now. So here a whole number divided by a fraction. A whole number whole number divided by a fraction. Whole number divided by a fraction. Then what is this? See here, I will take one example. I will take here divide. By example you come to know what is this. So here I will divide 3 divided by 1 by 2. 3 divided by 1 by 2. So here 3 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a fraction. So here a whole number divided by a fraction. A whole number divided by a fraction. Then what are these whole numbers? See here, natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, next whole number means including 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So these all are whole numbers. Whole numbers means it start with 0. Natural number means it start with 1. Okay, so here whole number is divided by a fraction. And one more thing you have to learn here, solve the following by using diagrams. You have to solve by using the diagrams. Okay, so here see here 3 by 2 is there. So I will draw here 3 boxes. 3, 1, 2 and here 3. Okay, so this is 3. Next, divided by 2. Divided by half. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here how many parts I need to make? 2 parts. 2 parts. Then what is the answer? Just here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its answer is 6. First I have drawn here 3 whole and again in that I made 2 parts. Half is there. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then tell me here total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its answer is 6. See here dear students, in your my practice time 10, solve the following by using diagrams is there. So by using diagram is there means you need to solve like this. And one more is there, divide the following means there is no need to divide the number. Okay, so I hope you understood this. 3 divided by 1 by 2. And one more is there here by without the diagram. See here 3 divided by 1 by 2 is there. So you have to make its reciprocal. 3, this multiplication becomes this division becomes multiplication and you have to write its 2 by 1. Whenever you are see here we can't divide directly this, you change it as a multiplication. So division is there now into 2 by 1. What is its inverse? Just now I told inverse is 2 by 3 is there means its inverse is 3 by 2. So here I wrote 2 by 1. Here there is a no digit means it's 1. 3 2s are 6, 1 1s are 1 and 6 by 1 is nothing but 6. So here 6. This is by division method and this is by using the diagrams. I hope you are getting my point. So I will solve here one more example from your my practice time 6. My practice time 10. Not 6, 10. 4 divided by 1 by 3. 4 is also whole. 4 is a whole number and 1 by 3 is there, no? 1 by 3 and that is what? Fraction. So I will draw here 4 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again I will draw here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tell me how many parts I need to make here. See what is there in denominator? 3. So I have to make here 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then count 4 divided by 1 by 3 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here you have to write 12. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so next this is, see here, solve the following by using the diagrams. My practice time 10, page number 143. Okay, so here one more example is there and that is 5 divided by 1 by 2. 5 divided by 1 by 2. So draw here 5 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here again I will draw 5 whole here 1 2 3 4 5. Here I have drawn rectangle. You can draw any figure here. So here how many parts I need to make? 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So its answer is 10. I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, here total 5 are there. Among them I have solved here 3 to 4 examples I have solved, and remaining one you do as a homework and send it to my number. Okay, so here one more question will come, and that is find the quotient, divide the following. See here, 4 divided by 1 by 4. These examples I am solving from your my practice time 10. Okay, so here again one more is there, 5 divided by 1 by 7. Again here 5 divided by 2 by 3, and here again one more 6 divided by 2 by 3. So these examples I took from your my practice time 10, and I hope you are getting this all the examples. Then how to solve this example? See here, 4 divided by 1 by 4 is there. So take here 4 and you have to make its reciprocal. Then it becomes 4 by 1. 1 by 4 is there, its reciprocal 4 by 1. 2 by 3 is there, 3 by 2. 1 by 7 is there, 7 by 1. 2 by 3 is there, 3 by 2. So here, see here there is no digit, means you take it as a 1. 4 4s are, I will write here only 4 4s are 16, 1 1s are 1. 16 by 1, 16 is the answer. Okay, so 16 by 1 is nothing but 16. Okay, next here you take 5 and here into 3 by 2. Okay, so next here there is no digit, means you assume 1 is there. 5 3s are 15 and 1 2s are 2. So 15 by 2 is the answer. 5 3s are 15 and 1 2s are 2. Next here again you take 5 by 5 into 7 by 1. Okay, here there is no digit, means 1 is there. 5 7s are 35 by 1 is equal to 35. Next here 6 is there into 3 by 2. Okay, so see here there is no digit, means 1. 6 3s are 18, 1 2s are 2. So dear student, just see here 18 and 2 are there in same table. Yes, 2 1s are 2 9s are. So the answer is 9. So dear students, in this class I taught my practice time 9 and my practice time 10, and here you learnt the multiplicative inverse and how to divide the whole number by a fraction. Okay, so solve this my practice time 9 and 10 neatly and send into my WhatsApp number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.